I decided to take this head off over here to make sure there wasn't no damage from it running without firing. A lot of oil in the cylinder, but I'm getting ready to do something that I think is pretty epic. So I hope you enjoy this one, and please like and favorite and get this moved to the top so everybody can see this. I'm getting ready to fire this engine up on one cylinder with the head off this side, and everything seems to be operating pretty good. So here you go, guys. I hope you enjoy this one. Tried to keep it as slow as I could for you. I hope that video comes out good. Yeah, there don't seem to be any damage to the engine. See if I can get in a little closer here. You know what? I'm gonna fire it up again now that we're that close. Let's see if we can get this looking a little better. Anyway, to all the people that watched the first part, the cylinder's got quite a bit of buildup on it, but it's not really stuck to it. It comes right off. Let me turn this on. Got quite a bit of buildup here, but it just wipes right off. I think this cylinder's been dead for quite a long time. So I'm going to clean all this up, get it put back together, and then we're going to start looking at the coil to see if there's something wrong up there. Anyway, please comment, subscribe, like it, favorite it, everything. And this is a Briggs & Stratton 18 horse twin cylinder. All we're running off of is this one spark plug. Yep, I'll get this put back together and we'll pull the top off of it. And what I'm hoping is that I'm the only one on YouTube that did this. I think that would be pretty awesome. But I can't guarantee it because everything's been done on YouTube, just like The Simpsons. So I'll get back to work on putting this together. You guys have a good day.